series or parallel connecting your 12 volt batteries. Today I'm going to explain how to do it and what it means the best I can, and there are some things to consider which I'll just explain later on in the video. So let's get into it. We're pretending today that these are 12 volt 100 amp hour batteries. They're in reality 50 amp hour batteries, but just for the ease of explaining, we're pretending that these are 12 volt 100 amp hours. So if I connected the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative, I have now parallel connected these two batteries and I have doubled the capacity. The voltage will stay the same at 12 volts, but the amp hours will double. So now we've made a 12 volt 200 amp hour battery pack. This is great if you've only got one battery in your solar system and you want to increase your capacity of the overall system. Simply connect a compatible 100 amp hour battery parallel, and we've now doubled the capacity of our 12 volt system. And if we were to join the positive and negative of your 12 volt batteries, so minus positive, link between the two, the positive negative, and that would be your positive. This is series connection, so we will up the voltage times the voltage by 2. This is be now a 24 volt system, and the amp hours will remain the same. We can continue and add a third and fourth battery, and as we go along we can create a 36 volt system or a 48 volt system. So whether we decide to put our two batteries in series or parallel, the total usable capacity will still stay the same. It's just the voltage that will change. So yeah, if you want a 12 volt system or 24 volt system, is whether you put your batteries in series or parallel. Obviously you can go out and buy the 24 volt batteries that are already 24 volts and 48 volt batteries as well. There are some rules when doing series and parallel connection. One rule is to make sure that your batteries are the same voltage before you parallel and series connect. If you don't, for example, if this is empty and this is a fully charged battery, it can throw out your total voltages, and you can potentially damage the BMSs of the batteries. You don't want that. Similar with your parallel batteries, you don't want to be connecting a flat battery to a full battery. The initial rush of current trying to charge this battery up, the flat battery, can damage the BMS or trip out the protection on your BMS. So you want to make sure your batteries are fully charged before you series or parallel connect your batteries. Another thing to consider is the brand of batteries. It is recommended, although that is debatable, that you keep with the same brand batteries when parallel and series connecting your batteries. Also, you want to keep the amp hours the same. There's also another thing to consider, the BMS. You want to look at the stats of your battery that you buy to make sure that they support series and parallel connecting your batteries. Most batteries will support a parallel connection of up to 4 batteries, but a lot of the cheaper batteries won't support series connecting up to 48 volts. So make sure when you do series connect or parallel connect your lithium ion batteries that the BMS will allow you to do that. I hope you like this video. I hope it's give you a little bit of a quick idea of what series and parallel connecting your batteries are. If you did find value out of this video, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel. If there's anything I've missed or overlooked, then let us all know in the comments below. Cheers guys.